Everyone, I got here is a Panasonic HC-X2, and I'm gonna show you how to change the f-stop on this one. This is on auto right now, as you can see here. F-stop is 8.0, and if you want to control the f-stop, what you need to do is go here and you have to switch it to manual. And here, as you can see, it's right now it's 4.8 right here, 4.8. So what you need to do is see this ring over here. You turn it, as you can see here, it's going down. Now it's open. Open means it's at the lowest, the fastest, it's 2.8. And see if I move it up. Now 4.5, 5.6. So you just turn this ring over here, this ring, and you'll switch. Let me zoom in. It switch. Alright, so just this ring, just keep turning that ring. As you can see, it gets darker and brighter. Alright, so this is how you adjust the f-stop. If you want it like really open, if it's dark, like if it's really dark already, you can go as fast as 2.8. okay, so all you need to do is switch to manual and move this ring up and down. Right, this is the Panasonic HC-X2, and that's how you change the f-stop. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. I see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.